I left while it was still dark because I really want to get to Groggin today. And it's 52 kilometres, but it's a dead guess because when you think it's not much elevation, it ends up being tough. So I'm hoping this early start will pay off. Doesn't look big, does it? But look at it compared to my hand. It's huge! 8.76 k's in an hour and 40. Fastest in weeks. And even that's not very fast. Beautiful track though. This bit from Groggin to Groggin so far. No portaging. Not fast because there's so many sticks and stuff, so be careful. Don't need to get them jammed in my spokes. Bugger. Let's have a look. Hopefully someone's made their way round. Not for a bike. This is a short clip for Alton Goods. I am modelling the bag on the National Trail. Perfect. Just the issue is it's taken a bit of a battering, so I've got holes in here, zip doesn't work. I've got zip ties in the back, but I love it. Anyway, the other thing, while on the National Trail, I do have cycling shorts under here, but when you're doing the National Trail, when you start in Healesville, the padding, yes, my bum does look big in them, is actually not for your bottom on the bicycle. It's for when you are trying to save your bike from falling down a hill and you sliding down on your ass with it. And it works really well. Could see snow up on those peaks before. Picturesque. Stunning. Makes you want to go swimming. Wow. All the beauty. I do know there is a climb coming up though. Check this out. Oh, this is a wide one. Very fresh. So clear. What's above the knee? Oh yeah. That's cold. Oh yeah. I know I wanted a shower, but yeah. Groggin, you're so close. Just left Groggin. Oh, I had the best day there. Stayed 3 nights in the end because I didn't get in till like 4:30, the first one. Great place. Caravan park was awesome. I had a room with an ensuite, which was really nice. Great food at the Alpine Inn, and then the something Parrot Cafe, brilliant. So just behind me is where I'm heading today. The hills will start again. Perhaps not as rough as previous, but we will see. Come along and join me. I'm just over 22 k's in, since leaving Cancobin. I think I cycled till about 18 or 19 kilometres, and then it's just getting a little bit too steep, so I'm pushing. But it's constant pushing. It's not that way you really can't even push uphill and have to do the portage. But yeah, no, it's good. It's actually quite cool up here. Even though I think I'm still only at like 900 metres, it's cooler than it has been. Still going up. A creek down there. I just got some water out of it before. It's Round Mountain up there. I think I've seen one car in about 3 hours. Hopefully getting towards the end of this climb. Just past Round Mountain on the way to Bradley and O'Brien's huts, or that way. I'll see how far I get. It's quite cold here. It's 1530 metres, I think. So I just scrambled down there, down to get some water. That way I can just camp wherever now. But there should be a spot coming up. But look at this. I believe, I'm going to point it out, over there is probably Mount Selwyn. I think that's ski runs and things like the, what do you call them, chairlifts and stuff. I think that's what it is. I pulled up to camp because I've done a lot more today than what I even thought I would do, but where I was going to camp there was a heap of cars there. I don't know what they were doing, so I thought I'd move on, but I was just getting too cold, so I've just pulled up here just off the track a bit. But that over there is Mount Jungle. Now we've been up, not to the top of it, but we when we did the Australian Alps, we did a side trip up there and camped up in the most beautiful little lakes, or whatever you call them. It was gorgeous. Oh, it's just magical. It's cold though, very cold. I think close to like 1700 metres, so it's cold. I need to get a hot drink and some more layers on. Oh, this is just brilliant. How lucky am I? Look at this. It makes it all worth it, all the hard effort, when you just get to look out there at Mount Jungle. Just amazing. Oh, it's just stunning. I wish I had a better zoom lens on me, but I don't. Just magical. It's very cold. I won't be out here for very long. Just leaving camp, and it's a cold, very cold, foggy morning. Straight in, to pushing. The trig point coming up. A bit better. In the middle of a whiteout. Interesting. I wonder if this is part. Oh no, there's cable. I wonder what this was. I know Charlie, the section coordinator, said that there were huts up here, and they used to bring cattle up in the summer. But they're big poles. How cute are these? There's 2 of them. Huh. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're kidding me. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is the cutest. Oh, I could have had a fire. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, let's go and check out the other one. There's something over there too. Oh my goodness, they both have a fire. Holy. Wow. Wow. That would have been an amazing night to sleep in there. I thought they were going to be old huts when Charlie said. Oh, wow. That's just crazy. Far out. Oh well. Maybe I should have pushed on. But at the time I just didn't feel like it. Wow. That would be like, 5-star accommodation out here. Starting to drop down now on Happy Jack's Road. But look, way down the bottom, I don't know if it'll pick it up. There's a river. I'll have to look up the name. Oh, it's way too far off. The dingo was coming up the path and there's me dancing around trying to keep warm. But it's just too far off, but he's off climbing up the hill now, just the other side of the road. Wow. What a beautiful little gorge down there. That'd be fun to explore. How's that? In 1954, the Happy Jack's Township was established to accommodate the crews working on the Yukon-Tumut Tunnel. But once it was completed in 1959, the buildings were relocated. A total of 82 houses. Wow. School, hospital, clubhouse, post office, store. Huh. Well, there you go. It's 11:45. I've done 21 kilometres. There is a chance I could get to Providence Portal. Oh. Must have been on this one before. This part of the Grey Mare Trail. It's got the Australian Alps walking sign on it.